Hello everyone, welcome to this comprehensive CISSP course. This is an introduction video, and if you are preparing for the CISSP exam or looking to strengthen your cybersecurity knowledge, you are in the right place. I will be guiding you through each domain step by step. This course is designed to give you a solid understanding of cybersecurity concepts, best practices, and real world applications. Whether you are an IT professional looking to advance your career or someone new to cybersecurity, this course will help you develop the knowledge and skills required to become CISSP certified. So let's get started. The CISSP certification is one of the most recognized and respected credentials in the cybersecurity industry. It validates your expertise in security and demonstrates your ability to design, implement, and manage cybersecurity programs effectively. With cyber threats evolving rapidly, organizations are looking for certified professionals who can protect their systems and data. Having a CISSP certification can significantly boost your career, leading to high paying job opportunities in roles such as security manager, security consultant, and even CISO. And this course is structured to provide detailed coverage of all 8 CISSP domains. Each domain will be explained with practical insights, real world example, and exam focused preparation. I will not only break down each topic but also provide tips and strategies to help you retain the concepts better. We will also discuss industry trends and case studies so you can understand how these principles apply in real life cybersecurity scenarios. Now, this CISSP certification is divided into 8 major domains, each covering a critical aspect of cybersecurity. These domains form the foundation of security best practices and ensure you develop a well rounded understanding of security principles. Now, let's take a quick look at each of these domains before diving deeper into them one by one. So, the first domain is called Security and Risk Management, and this one sets the foundation for information security. Here, we will cover topics like governance, risk management, compliance, and security policies. You will learn how organizations identify, assess, and mitigate risks while ensuring compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. This domain is crucial because risk management plays a key role in any cybersecurity strategy. Domain 2 focuses on asset security, which deals with protecting data and information assets. We will cover data classification, ownership, and lifecycle management here. Understanding how to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access and breaches is essential for any security professional. In this domain, we will also explore privacy concerns and how organizations ensure data security through various controls and best practices. Third one is security architecture and engineering, and this is the one where we dive into technical aspects of security. This domain covers secure system design, cryptography, and security models. The next one is communication and network security, which is one of the most important domains as networks are often the primary target of cyber attacks. Here we will cover topics such as secure network architecture, network attacks, and defense mechanism. You will learn about encryption protocols, firewalls, VPNs, and intrusion detection systems to ensure secure communication and data transmission. Next one is identity and access management, or IAM, which is all about ensuring that only authorized individuals have access to critical system and data. We will discuss authentication and authorization techniques, single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, and privileged access management. This domain is essential for preventing unauthorized access for mitigating insider threats. Domain 6, security assessment and testing, is about evaluating security controls to ensure they are effective. This includes vulnerability assessment, penetration testing, and security audits. organizations need continuous testing and monitoring to stay ahead of cyber threats. In this domain, you will learn about different security testing methodologies and how they help organizations identify and mitigate risks proactively. The next one is security operations, which is the domain that deals with real-time security management. It covers incident response, forensics, and disaster recovery planning. We will explore how security teams detect, respond to, and recover from cyber incidents. Understanding security operations is critical for professionals who want to work in security operations centers or SOCs or take on leadership roles in security management. The next one is, and the last one also, is software development security, which focuses on integrating security into software development lifecycle. We will cover secure coding practices, application security threats, and the DevSecOps approach. With software vulnerabilities being a leading cause of cyber attacks, this domain is vital for developers, security engineers, and IT professionals involved in software security. This course is designed for a wide range of professionals. Whether you are a cybersecurity professional, IT manager, security analyst, or someone preparing for the exam, this course will provide valuable insights and hands-on knowledge. Even if you are not planning to take the CISSP exam immediately, understanding these security principles will help you advance in your career. This course is more than just an exam preparation guide. You will gain real-world cybersecurity knowledge, learn practical applications of security principles, and develop the skills needed to protect organizations from cyber threats. The content is designed to help you not only pass the exam but also become a competent cybersecurity professional in the field. So I am excited to start this journey with the audience here, and throughout this course I will be providing regular lessons, real-world examples, and interactive discussions to help you understand complex security concepts easily. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow along so you don't miss any updates. Feel free to leave your questions and thoughts in the comments. I would love to engage with you and help you succeed. Now that you have an overview of the CISSP domains, it's time to dive into our first lesson. So I will be soon coming back with the next video where we will explore the first domain, which is security and risk management in detail. And we will cover the risk management principles, compliance frameworks, and how organizations manage security policies effectively. So stay tuned for the next video and let's get started on this CISSP journey together. Thank you so much for your time.